Hi, my name is Michaela Harris and I'm with Timberlake Marketing. I want to take just a few minutes today to show you some things that you could be doing to gain more customers online and help grow your business. So first things first, when I found your company, I found you on Angie's List. And ultimately, I want to show you some things that in the long run are going to work out better for you. If you can source your own clients without having to go through things like Angie's List that cost money, it ends up working out better for you to source your own clients. And so how you do this is my number one recommendation to all companies is to get a Google Business Profile. That's what's going to show up on Maps. If you're not on Maps, you're missing out on so many potential clients. How you do that? Create you a Gmail account, go over here, go to Business Profile, create you a profile. Get all the information in there that you can, get a really good company description. Don't leave anything out. Try not to leave anything blank. Add a bunch of photos on there, get your business verified, and then any customers you work with, make sure they're going on your Google page and giving you a review. The next thing would be to have a good website. And now I did go to your Facebook page and I did find a website, but when I tried to open it, my internet could not find you. So I don't know if there's an issue with the domain or if something just isn't typed in correctly, but this was the website that I got off of your Facebook page. And basically, it's just not able to be found. So if people can't find your website, they can't learn more about your company. And a lot of times a Facebook page is not enough. So if I was to look for someone who made cabinets, or you could do cabinet installations, you could do woodworking, you could search this in a lot of different ways. The goal is to get into this Maps area. To do this, you need to have a Google Business Profile, and then you need to go and submit your business name and address to different business listing sites so that you can get those citations, and that's going to help Google say, hey, this is reliable, and they're going to put you up at the top. Now, the next thing you can do is you can take and look at what your competitors are doing and go find their keywords and make sure that the content on your website is centered around that. And you can do it much like I did your website right here. So I looked just in case, and I couldn't really find that much data on your company. So I don't know what happened with the website. I do think there's a lot of potential for growth for you just because a lot of people like handmade things. So I do think there is a lot of potential for growth. My next recommendation is going to be to go to a website building platform like snaps.ai. That's one of my favorites. I would work on getting a lot of content on that website, making sure your homepage has about 1,500 words and any back pages you have has about 500 to 750 words. I would make sure to include all of your services, any locations other than Port St. Joe that you currently work in. And I would make sure that you get this website up and running with a reliable domain so that people can find you and have this listed on your Google Business Profile as well. Things like search engine optimization that are going to get you to the first page will come with time. You can do that by going in and getting backlinks and referring domains from your top competitors. But all in all, really just getting that Google Business Profile made and getting you a good website up with a good working domain is going to be super important in helping you get more clients. I hope that this was at least a knowledgeable video for you. I hope that it added some value to your company. My company does offer a lot of services related to this. So if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You also can go and do all these things on your own. Perfectly fine. You don't have to use my company. I just wanted to be able to provide some value to yours. Thank you so much for watching.